on everyone, welcome to Test Prep channel, my dear. This particular video is going to be about very good, you can say, university, and that is one of my favorite universities as well, right? If I talk about the favoritism, then definitely the facilities, the faculties, right? Each and every one, which is I just overwhelmed when I gone through with each and every details of this particular university. And yes, I'm going to tell you about the Bangalore University, my dear, the one and only university over there in Bangalore, which is very famous. So, dear students and parents, welcome to Test Prep Card channel. This particular video is going to be about Bangalore University and what I'm going to cover in this particular video. Let's see. The first thing what I covered, that is overview of this particular college, then NRI quota, again a reservation, required aspect of entrance examination, available courses and seat matrix, course fees, and as well the admission process. So the one and only thing which I required from you is to watch this particular video full, and don't go anywhere, my dear. Stick yourself over here for 10 minutes, and definitely you will get each and everything about the Bangalore University. If I talk about Bangalore, right? Bangalore is definitely an IT hub where every, you can say, engineering college are available there, right? If I talk about the universities, if I talk about the BTech institutions and college, then you can find BTech college over there in 100 meters of every area, right? So Bangalore is definitely very famous. So let me tell you something about the Bangalore University, and it is located in the city of Bangalore. First of all, aptly hailed as the IT capital of India, as you know, right? Was established in the 1964. This is new for you, as an offshoot of the University of Mysore, primarily to include institutions of higher learning located in the metropolitan city of Bangalore and the district of Bangalore, Kolar and Tumkur, right? Which eventually, you can say, became a separate university. Initially, uh, the two premier college of the city, right? Okay, so the central college, that is CC, and the university, that is called, you can say, the College of Engineering, that is UVCE, formed the nucleus of, you can say, the University of Bangalore, right? So first of all, I would like to tell you that according to the QS University ranking BRICS 2016, an international agency ranked Bangalore University at 151st position amongst BRICS nation. As per Hansa Research Survey 2016 published the week May 29, 2016 issue, Bangalore University is ranked number 15 in the top multidisciplinary institution universities at all India level. At number 9 in the top state multidisciplinary institute university, top 5 in the South Zone, and number 1 in the state of Karnataka. So now, ultimately, this is the number one institution, or you can say university in Karnataka, my dear. Let me tell you something about the academic programs. So over here in this particular university, apparel technology, applied geology, biological science, biochemistry, botany, computer application, chemistry, electronic, media, environmental science, electronic science, geography, library, and information science, life sciences, mathematics, microbiology and biotechnology, physics, psychology, statics. If I talk about the next, that is in commerce category. If I talk about commerce and management, then Canara Bank School of Management is there. Yes, if I talk about the academic program of arts, then economics, English, Hindi, history, communication, Kannada studies, performing arts, philosophy, political science, rural development, Sanskrit, sociology, social work, Telugu, Urdu, visual art, women studies. So these are the things actually, right? If I talk about academic program education, then definitely again, right, the same things over there as well. Okay, so if we talk about the seat matrix, then admission to the various PG courses in university department and affiliated colleges for the academic year 2020-2021. approval of the Vice Chancellor dated 6th November 2020, right? So according to 2020, the seat provisional seat matrix is according to this particular scenario. If I talk about Faculty of Arts and in the category economics, then definitely the Bangalore University Department, that is JB campus, the 46 total seats are there. If I talk about general, that is 23, SC, that is 7, ST, that is 1. If I talk about the first, that is 2. In this particular criteria is there, right? If I talk about PG center, that is Ramanagara, that is 27. Government FGC, that is Channapatana, that is 16. If I talk about government FGC Magadi, 24. If I talk about government FCG, faculty of you can say department, then Vijayanagar, that is 24 again. St. Francis D. Sales College Electronics City, that is Bangalore, again 12. If I talk about payment sheet, then definitely JB campus is 16, GM, that is 8, SC, that is 2, ST, that is 1, and so on. If I talk about English, then Bangalore University, that is JB campus, it is 46. And if I talk about Christ Academy Institution for Advanced Studies, that is 12. If I talk about St. Francis D. Sales College Electronic City, Bangalore, that is 16. The Oxford College of Science, that is 8. If I talk about Vijayanagara, that is 24. So this is the seat matrix, my dear, which is to be understand properly before apply for any course. If I talk about applied genetics, then 12. Oxford College of Science, 12. Payment sheets are available over there. If I talk about applied geography, the Bangalore University Department, that is 20. Audiology and speech language pathology, that is NAISH College, that is 6. Biochemistry, that is Bangalore University JB campus, that is your 12 seats are there. Administrative Management College, that is 12. East West FGC, that is 8. So how to get admission in this particular institution? So you can find the details different at everywhere where you find this particular detail, right? But after researching all the documents, after researching each and everything, I get to know this particular page, which is actually provided by the Bangalore University, right? On the date of 23rd March 2021, right? So this particular letter explains you about the admission criteria. Over here, the subject is mentioned over here, that is approval of admission to PG course for the academic year 2021. Vice Chancellors approved this particular letter. And what is the letter about? I would like to read it out. So, the online process for uploading the details of the candidate for admission approval for the academic year 2021 will be commencing from 29 March 2021. The chairperson, this is the latest report, right? 1 month ago. The chairperson of the university department and principals of affiliated colleges are requested to follow the procedure laid down here under the PG admission approval circular study. Okay. Okay. So I would like to read more about this particular thing. That is admission approval procedure. So the university will host the admission approval application from the website, that is www.bangaloreuniversity.ac.in from 29th March 2021. The department college have to enter all the details of candidates in the format hosted on the website. The last date for apply or online entry is 15th April 2021. The colleges have to carefully enter all the field appropriately in the application. Incomplete application will be rejected, my dear. So why I am reading this line by line? Because this is the only letter provided through the university, right? And this is the only process by which a student can get admitted themselves. Thereafter, the department college have to upload the following documents on the website. The first, that is recent digital passport photograph of the candidate, one of the photo ID, passport, Aadhaar card or voter card, digital left thumb mark LTM, that is of the candidate, digital signature of the scanned image of the signature of the candidate. Department college are required to submit the duly attested photocopies of all original supporting necessary documents by the chairperson's principal with seal and signature, my dear, at the appropriate place indicated at the application along with the relevant original documents mentioned in clause 3, which is mentioned over here, right? With receipt of online payment of fees for verification on the day of approval, my dear. Again, one copy of consolidated admission statement downloaded along with the statement of online receipt paid course wise and semester wise separately along with the online fees paid. Affiliation order issued by the bachelor university for each course of the academic year 2021. Photo ID card, marks card, transfer certificate, that is TC, migration, eligibility certificate for foreign students only, PDC, caste certificate in original rank card of entrance examination obtained in respect of MBA and MCA students, original passport, visa, immigration, stamped entry into India along with marks card and transcript of language for language other than in English. Equivalence certificate issued by Association of Indian Universities in respect of foreign nationals. Admission slip of each student issued in the respect of MBA, MCA by the KEA, PGCET and by Bangalore University in respect of PG course. The original challan of the students allotted by university shall be furnished towards reimbursement of fee on the day of admission, my dear, right? So these are the particular criteria. One more page is over there. You can take a screenshot. You can log into this particular website and download each and everything about this particular thing. So one and only is that you cannot go beyond of this particular thing. A schedule for PG course including MBA and MCA is the date wise is mentioned over here, right? So see, the last date always differ. Why? Because when you are watching this particular video, I don't know at what time you are watching, right? It may be in the year of 2022, right? So at that point of time, you can go through the month, right? Because the month cannot be differ, right, all the time. If there is definitely a very critical situation, or if I talk about the pandemic right now, then definitely it can be differ. Otherwise, not, right? So thanks for watching this fantastic video, my dear. And please wait for the next video that will be very amazing, my dear. So thank you, bye bye, and take care.